Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my junk journal embellishment challenge, and this is number 83 and the prompt is donkey, and I'm going to make a tag. I have a card with a donkey on it. In Dutch it's ezel. I found some letters, I-A, I-A. I found, well, I thought maybe that's an idea. I have all kinds of painty papers, so I think I'm going to make a tag of this, the background, something like that. And I thought, well, maybe I can use a wax seal with it, if I have the right color. Maybe a yellow one. Maybe I could use something of this. I'm not sure. I don't know. And well, I have washi tapes and lace and whatever. So I'm going to look for a painty paper to make the tag with. And well, I speed it up again. Let's see what I'm going to make. Have fun watching.